I'm gonna go in with this color right here. If you see it, great. If you don't, great as well. It doesn't really matter. Oh, that's what I get for being a bitch. My goodness. Yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm not here to do a review. I just got new makeup and I want to try it out on camera. Just like the last video, it's not gonna be anything over the top because I'm not even trying to do all of that right now. I wanted to go ahead and prime with my Fenty primer just because I really do like the soft matte, you know, finish that it leaves the face. I cleansed my face with like an oil cleanser, so I feel like my face is not gonna look too dried out. I feel like it's gonna kind of like, let's see what I did. I don't know what I'm doing. So what I got at Ulta, I threw away the packaging because I was just like, I'm not gonna do what I did with the Target that I held it hostage for years. I'm like, girl, stop. Like, just do what you gotta do and go. I got the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in the number 4, I remember. That was such a crisp cut. I would have loved to hear that in ASMR. Okay, is it weird that I'm starting to get into ASMR? I was like watching an ASMR video, like a beauty community person ASMR video, and I was honestly like on cloud 9 type shit. Like, it was so, like, it was everything that ASMR is like supposed to be. My face looks so big. Low key though, I love when my face looks big. Like, I have really big features in my face. Like, I have a big nose, I have a big forehead, and I don't know, like, I'm low key obsessed with myself. Is it weird to say that on camera? I'll just say it. Like, I love myself. I literally have not fixed my nail still. I was gonna go today, but then my friend told me that my nails didn't even look that bad, so I was just like, but I guess she lied, because they do. I'm gonna try to stay within like the drugstore realm just because I am using a drugstore concealer and a drugstore foundation. Ouch. Okay, so the brows are done. I think this is the first time I've ever come back to the camera and I've been fully like pleased with the way that my brows look. So cheers to that. Let's go ahead and try the foundation. I picked out the shade, I picked it by eye because I never get color matched. Like, I ever, like, rarely, so often. Rarely. Does that make sense? I don't know if that's an actual thing people say. So I always do it by eye. It's probably super noticeable if my foundation doesn't really match me, but I got the shade 310 Sun Beige. So yeah, I felt like the shade after this one was the one that matched me better, but they only had one and it had already been played with, and I was just like, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Oh, and the concealer, I got the shade 20 Sand Sable. So there's that. So yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this before I went off camera, but I cleaned up my eyebrows and I set the base for my lids with the LA Girl concealer in the shade medium beige G7978. Okay, so I got like, I want to say a good pump and a half into the little Real Technique sponge. Hopefully this matches. Oh, I feel like it won't match. Oh my god. Oh shit, I put a lot here. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. It is full coverage though. Oh, it's super full coverage. Goodness. Did I put primer? Yes, I did. I put the Fenty. I was scared. I was scared for a minute. I don't know how. I feel like it's not gonna look horrible. Maybe, I think it's definitely too light on me. But I don't feel like it's gonna look, oh my god, it's so light on me. I feel like okay, I feel like I still have to like blend it out, whatever. But I feel like towards the end, it's gonna look better. I feel like the range that they had for sale at the drugstore was literally just like, honestly, like 10 shades. Like, just kidding, not 10. I wanna say maybe a good 12 shades. Okay, I feel like no foundation. I'm not gonna love a drugstore foundation as much as I love the Maybelline FitMe, because that one is like, wow. Okay, so initial thoughts on the foundation. Let me see it in a different lighting. Hold up. in this dark ass lighting, not dark ass lighting, but like I'm kind of liking the finish and how it looks now, but like when I turn up the lighting, it kind of looks a little bit like, whoa. Does it look like it match a little bit more? Does it match more now? Who knows? I'm just gonna fix my little hairs because they bother me. Okay, so adjust your eyes because I'm gonna turn up the lighting. Do you guys see the difference? That is a big difference. Okay, just kidding. Another reason why I was kind of inclined to try this foundation is because my friend Bersabe, I'm probably at some point in my channel, I'm probably gonna, you know, show her. Bersabe did a review on this foundation. I'm not sure if the video is up or it's gonna go up or I don't know what, but I know that she was the first one who I saw with this foundation, so I was like, let me try it. Oh my god, is this my shade? Little girl, what have you done? It's so yellow. I need to invest in a drugstore banana powder because it's the only thing I use to set my makeup, and I don't have any from the drugstore. I'm gonna start putting concealer here. Now I'm just gonna jump into the eyes. Like I said, I'm not gonna do anything too over the top because I'm just not here for that. Or should I? I'm just honestly not here for that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and, my goodness, I need to clean my brushes. That's something I need to do. I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. Matte for My Eyeshadow palette. Ouch. And I wanna use a cute little pink color in this palette. Or should I use, I don't know. Let me go ahead and blend out the creases in my eyelid. I don't want to really go over the top with the shadow. Like I just want to put it, tuck it in right here, not really make too much of a noise. I feel like I always do like pinky looks, but like, y'all, pink is my favorite color. Like, I'm sorry. Like, I'm honestly genuinely sorry. Pink is really just my favorite color. And that's that on that. And now for the star of the show. Okay, I'm going to try this NYX Vivid Brights colored liquid liner in the shade, what's the shade? Vivid Fire. That wasn't that bad. I am officially done with the eyes. Nothing too dramatic, nothing too over the top. I wasn't really planning on doing that. I just wanted to try out the liner. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and bronze the face. Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Endless Summer. I feel like this is low-key a little bit too dark for me. Like, you know when you use a bronzer for the first time, it's like so pigmented. Like the same thing happened to me with the Maybelline? No, the Milani bronzer that I have. Yeah, it's Milani. So yeah, I was honestly just so scared. So I'm not gonna stop raving about how much I love this Morphe brush. Like, does it smell like goat? Yes. Does Morphe hate black people? Very much tea. A lot of YouTubers have been fucking Morphe for, you know, for what we know Morphe. Like, if you watch all like the big black YouTubers, then you know exactly what the hell I'm talking about. Like, I didn't peep that because I don't really follow makeup brands on their Instagram, so I don't know what they post or what they don't post. Like, I follow the beauty influencers. Okay, I'm trying to keep this real drugstore, you guys, as drugstore as I possibly could. I could have definitely gravitated to my MAC Fix Plus, but I didn't because I'm a good person. At the end of the day, I care about the community. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. This is like the closest thing I have to like a really, really pink highlight that's like from the drugstore. So I'm gonna go ahead and scratch that. I've noticed that a lot of highlighters work best when you literally just like scratch the surface. And I'm just gonna put that in my inner corner. What the hell? Okay guys, so this is a finished look. To be honest, I didn't hate it. Like, it's not my shade, most definitely. Like, we all know that, sis. But I don't
hate the foundation, definitely do not hate the concealer. And I really like how, you know, the whole pink thing came out. I really like this eyeshadow look. So yeah, I really don't have much to say. I don't do reviews, so I don't even know, you know, how this goes. I just honestly just wanted to try it on. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.